In this video, I will show you step by step how to change Microsoft Edge background. First up, after you open up your Windows, open the Microsoft Edge browser. After you open the browser, click on this three dots. So from this option, scroll to down, go to settings. After you open the settings, go to appearance. After you open the appearance, so now you have two options. Now click on this image themes. So from there, now scroll to down. So from this option, now go and select the image you want to add as your background. So I'll choose this one. So any image you choose, it will give you the preview of the image in this option. And the next thing, now after you finish choosing the image, now if you want to change the color of the bar, you can click on this color theme. So from there, go and choose the color bar, as you can see now. After you finish customizing your browser, so from there you can click on this new tab. So as you can see now, the background I have chosen has been added to my browser. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next one.